To clean up our baby, we're going to be using some bath slime from Crayola, and this is cherry berry. Let's open this up. It's so jiggly. So let's take this out. Ah! Whoop! Ooh. It looks like slime. Look how shiny and glittery it is. Ooh. I don't think it's slime at all. I think it's just like jello. But that's okay. We're gonna use it to clean our baby. Let's put the jello all over her. Ugh. Ooh. It's super glittery though. Let's clean our baby. Oh baby, you have a lot of cookies. Let's get her little sponge and clean her little face. The jelly is super slippery. Ugh. This slime is more like jello. It's super slippery. Look. Baby, are you liking this slime bath? So now that we clean our baby with the sponge and everything, let's put some more water. Baby's ready to come out. And let's go put on her clothes.
Bye bye.